Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your Teachable school? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your student behavior, and by linking Google Analytics, that can give you insight into your students' behaviors. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Analytics, I want to let you know you have to have already created your Google Analytics ID. If you need help finding that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. I'll try to leave the link in the description. So once you copy your Google Analytics ID, what you're going to do is come over here on the left side and click on App Hub. All right, once you do that, you're going to see various apps that you can connect to your Teachable account, but you want to scroll down until you see Google Analytics, this orange logo. All right, once you do that, they're going to give you a little bit of information on using Google Analytics with your Teachable account. However, to go ahead and link it, click on this turquoise button here, Install. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and paste in your Google tracking ID right here. Once you've done that, click on this turquoise Install button. You have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.